In this video, I will show you how to add markers in CapCut PC. Let's get started. Open your CapCut video editor. Open the project you want to edit. Click on the video clip to select it. Ensure that the clip is active, which is indicated by an outline around it. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want to add a marker. Look for the marker icon on the interface. This is typically located in the toolbar above the timeline. Click on this icon to add a marker at the playhead's position. Move the playhead to the endpoint where you want to add another marker. Press the shortcut key, M, to add a marker quickly. To customize your marker, right-click on it. You can rename it and change its color for better organization. If you need to remove a marker, right-click on it and choose the delete option.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.